Good morning, friends. This is trade plan for 22nd of January 2020. You must be noticing that I am making videos for the last couple of days in the morning because overnight global markets are a bit tricky, and you want a sense of SGX before you give any sort of view. So please bear with me because for the last couple of days, as you've seen, things have been, rather choppy. Before we start, and because I forget every day, like, share, subscribe, and if you still haven't joined it, join our platinum button. Yesterday was a tricky day. Our clients made money, although we did not make money on the downside. But on the upside, we carried Bank Nifty calls, and that did very well. These days, your average Infosys, TCS, etc. are not working. What is working is money is being attracted to specific sectors. Like yesterday, it was consumer, home improvement, auto. But your average, private bank or your average tech stock didn't do too well. So let's get started. Uh, so the point was that use our platinum button, use our other buttons, because some people are complaining that I talk too much about platinum and they feel left out. I don't think there is anything to feel left out, but the platinum, just by virtue of the interaction, is promoted more. All our, my kids, all the buttons. So don't worry about that. If you have questions, WhatsApp 98710 or email ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL@yahoo.com. So let's start with the S&P 500. S&P 500 had a very narrow day, so no damage done, and just some consolidation. What's interesting is the DXY, which is the dollar index. The dollar index has again started to collapse, and that was my expectation, that dollar is unlikely to appreciate a lot. Now that, generally speaking, is highly positive for Asian markets, and today we are likely to open at SGX is 14,594. So on the Nifty, we had a collapse yesterday, and I consider these sort of collapses to be my 5-star setups in an uptrend. If you get this kind of a collapse, this often resolves back on the upside. So idea is that if you are not still long, you should get long in the morning, and possibly a stop of 14,500 broadly should do well. And I would believe that the market during the course of the day recovers back towards 14,700 thereabouts. And finally, till we are in a bull market, we should expect new highs. So, a lot of cleanup happened yesterday, so all the weak hands seem to be out. the stronger hands are likely to carry the market back to at least previous highs, if not higher. Bank Nifty seems to be the weaker index. It's not making the sort of progress that is expected. It's not able to hit fresh highs. So I think towards this 5-minute 200, this could be your first sort of target, which is 32,500. And from there, you should take it higher till the budget. I think the market will attract money into specific sectors. Now, what is left in the hands of the finance minister is, these PLI schemes and, some sort of, standard deduction limits, etc. So my sense is that, consumer type themes are likely to do well. So that is where the focus should be: FMCG, auto, home improvement, real estate, etc. So that should be the area where people should be looking for gains. So I think we open flat and then we slowly try to consolidate and go up further. So next few days it will be sideways to up. So we are likely to open with a bit of a gap down. So if yesterday's low holds on, I think around those lows, uh, a buy trade or a call position would work out very well. That should be it for this little update. I hope you have a good trading day. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.